everyone. As we are stuck indoors for 24 hours during this lockdown, I'm here with a new suggestion of a book that has been in the limelight for several years. Dreams are to be followed. Life is meant to be lived. Some books are meant to be read, loved, and passed on, and one such book is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. This is an inspirational story of a young Spanish shepherd known as Santiago who had a very deep attachment with his flock. His parents were always in the hustle bustle of life, and theirs was not a place of dream and charm. Santiago had a deep appreciation for nature and an aesthetic sense, and he detaches himself from the worldly pleasures and tries to linger in the lap of nature. He constantly saw the dream of a treasure lying underneath the Egyptian pyramids. He's in a quest of achieving his dreams and receives an assistance from an alchemist in this story. Now, throughout his journey, he meets several people. He meets a gypsy woman. Now, this woman tells him to follow the omens. He also falls in love with a desert girl named Fatima. Now, this is an event that I was really fascinated to it because there are several love stories that we have heard and seen, but this one is quite interesting. It is propagating a love story that is devoid of ownership and possession, and love that is true love becomes a great stimulus in helping the other person to achieve his or her dream. He also meets an old king who strengthens his beliefs. By time, his belief grows and satisfaction nourishes as he is on the right path. This is why this book is known to be great because of its philosophical statement: when you want something, the whole universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. One of the dangerous hindrances that has been described in this novel is the fear of living and the fear of achieving our destiny. Now, overcoming this fear is very victorious. As Coelho has stated, tell your heart that the fear of suffering is worse than the suffering itself, and that no heart has ever suffered when it goes in search of dreams. Because every second of search is a second encounter with God and eternity. This book also depicts a very unreal event, where when Santiago realizes that he can turn base metals into gold. It is also a bit overrated to know that an alchemist can actually turn lead into gold. It is not necessary that you should believe each and every event in this book, but it is very important as a reader that we learn to read between the lines. In spite of its depiction and portrayal of unreal and magical events, this book is a beautiful fable that has delighted millions across the world because of its thought-provoking ideas of spirituality and destiny. Now, it is very important that we learn to live in the present because that's the main idea that this book is trying to render to us. As the book reads, everything on earth is being continuously transformed because the earth is alive and has a soul. It's important that how the earth is changing, we also bring changes to our attitudes and pursue the right path in life. Now, the choice of words that Paulo Coelho has made in this book is impeccable and full of wisdom and philosophy that makes this book an encouraging pleasure for the reader. This book teaches us to have faith in destiny, aspire high aims, and to chase our dreams. It helps us to understand how the character had overcome his obstacles of violence, confusion, and desire and still cling on to his faith to reach his destiny. I would highly recommend this book as this book contains the essential wisdom of listening to your heart. So start reading The Alchemist to either escape reality or to understand reality. See you in the next video with a new book. Till then, stay tuned.